How to hide connections on LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your connections list on LinkedIn so other people can't see who you're connected with. First, open LinkedIn on your phone and tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on Settings at the bottom, then select Visibility. Under Visibility of your profile and network, look for Connections and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Who can see your connections. By default, this is usually set to Your Connections, which means anyone in your network can see your full connections list. Tap on it and change it to Only You. This makes your connections list private. No one else will be able to see who you're connected with. Keep in mind that this setting only affects your full connections list. People can still see mutual connections you share with them, and your connections will still know that you're connected to them. And if you ever want to make your connections visible again, just come back to the same setting and switch it back to Your Connections. And that's it. Hiding your connections on LinkedIn takes just a few taps and gives you more privacy over who can see your network.